Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code Decode. Today is the fifth day of SQL challenge. Let's see what the task we are going to face today. Okay. The question says, Julia asked our students to create a coding challenge, some coding challenges. Write a query to print hacker ID, name, and total number of challenges created by each student. Okay. After that, we have to sort the results by total number of challenges in descending order, and if more than one student created the same number of challenges, then sort the result by hacker ID. Yeah, okay. If more than one student created the same number of challenges and the count is less than maximum number of challenges created, then exclude the student from the result. Okay, let's see what we got here. We are having hackers table. Okay, after that we are having challenges. Okay, these are the two tables we are having. It contains hacker ID and name, and challenge ID and hacker ID. Okay, this is the exact sample input. Okay, got it. Quickly we can jump into the sample input of this one. Okay, you can see in the first sample input we got these much tables. Okay, Angela 6 Patrick. Okay, what they are saying is if the number of challenges is repeated 4 and 5, we have to eliminate those because it was lesser than this maximum challenges written by some hacker. Okay, we have to eliminate those what are the challenges occurred repeatedly less than maximum. After that, if the maximum is repeated, if the maximum is repeated again and again, which means that we can see number of maximum element is 2 over this place. Okay, but we have to return that 6. Whatever the number of times the 6 occurred, maximally occurred, we need to return those. That is the meaning. The both created 6 challenges because 6 is the maximum number of the challenges. The students are included in the result. Okay, that is the scenario we are going to face on. I'm going to create this in MySQL. Okay guys, let's code it. I'm going to, as usual, I'm going to create a select statement. For now, I'm going to use the all statement from hackers table. Hackers. I'm going to name it as H, and I'm going to perform an inner join to the table of challenges. We're having another table called challenges, so I'm going to join it using inner join. I'm going to name it as C on H dot hacker ID equals C dot hacker ID. These are the common columns we are having in those tables, and I'm going to group by them because I need to get the number of challenges they have got for each hacker ID. For that, I'm going to group by based on these columns: hacker ID and name. Okay. Before that, what I've given is HID and name, but we have not created those yet. For that, I'm going to give h dot hacker ID as HID and h dot name as name. In addition to that, what I need is count of challenge ID, because based on this only we are going to perform all those things. Okay, what I've done is selected hacker ID as HID and hacker name as name and count as CNT, and I'm grouping HID and name. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this one as a new table and name it as T1. I'm going to keep this aside. and the step is called as a subquery. Okay, and I'm going to do another select statement. In the select statement, I'm going to select the HID from T1 table. T1 dot HID as HID. Okay, and T1 dot name as name. After that, I'm going to same calling the same count as CNT. The reason I'm doing this means I need more clarification whenever I call a column based on the subquery table. After that, I'm going to create a window function for knowing what are the occurrence of challenges we got. I will explain you that. T1 dot HID. Based on T1 dot HID, I'm creating a window function over partition by T1 dot count. Good. And I'm naming it as occurrence. Okay. I will show you what I'm doing here, and I'm going to create another column max of CNT over as max count. Max number or max count, whatever or preference we can give. Max count from the below table. Okay, I will show you what I've done quickly. Okay, you can see. Just a second. I need to go below table. Okay, this table looks good. Okay, if you see what I've done is in this particular. Okay, in this particular code, you can see the count of HID over partition by as occurrence. This will give what are the number of counts it was occurred. For example, this is the count 1 because it was occurred only one. It will create a new column as the name of CNT. Just a second, sorry for that. It was the name of CNT count. Okay, it will give one for this and this one, and you can see there are two fours occurred in this particular table. Okay, so it will give us 2 and this will give us 1. Okay, this is the main reason. At the same time, you can see this is occurrence as 2 because we can see 2 occurrence 2 and 1 1 1. This is what the occurrence states. Okay, after that I'm creating a new column max count. This means, for example, in this particular table you can see there are number of values, but if you see 6 is a maximum count. What I'm going to create is creating a new column max count, and whatever the maximum value present in this particular table in this column, I'm going to give all those columns as max value 6 6 6 6. Likewise, I'm going to give all the column as max value, creating new column. Okay, this is what this max count refers to. I hope th- this will explain to you. After that, I'm going to create um, another select statement by keeping the below as a new table. Yeah, I'm going to create another select statement. Select t2.hid as non, comma t2 dot name, comma t2 dot cft. from the below table. Okay, and I'm going to name it as T2. This is the place we are giving a where condition for getting the value we needed. T2 dot occurrence equals 1. We need the value which is given, which is occurred for only one time. Apart from that, if the value contains max value, so I'm giving as 1, or at the same time giving an or condition as T2 dot cnt equals to T2 dot max number. As per this value, we need all the maximum value, even though if it occurs multiple times. That is the reason I'm giving or condition over this place. Finally, I'm going to order the table by using T2 dot cnt in descending order, because they want the hackers which is solved more challenges. After that, T2 dot, if the number of challenges same, I'm going to sort it out by HID. Okay, I think that's it, guys. This is the code for this particular problem. Let's quickly you see the steps whether we have done mistake in anything. Okay, HID. Okay, let's run this code. I think everything is good. Let's run this code. Uh, let's see if we have any error. Yeah, we got one. T2 dot HID. Yeah, I just missed an underscore over this place. That is the issue. Yeah, guys, it works perfect. Okay, let me submit the code. In the meantime, if you guys really likes this video, means click the like button and do subscribe and share it with your friends. Thank you. Bye bye.